Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. I hope everyone is doing good. Children, today we are going to study chapter 6 and the name of the chapter is The Man Cub. Children, this story is adapted from the very famous book The Jungle Book, which is written by Rudyard Kipling. Many of you might have seen the story on Cartoon Channel or in movies. This story is about a small boy named Mowgli. The wolf family find this boy near the cave and they protect him from the tiger and include him in their family. So let's see the story. It was a quiet evening in the jungle. The wolf family was resting in their cave. Father Wolf had just woken up from sleep. Mother Wolf was lying with her 4 cubs. In the evening, the wolf family was resting in the cave. Who was resting in the cave? Wolf family was resting in the cave. Father Wolf just got up from the sleep and Mother Wolf was resting with her 4 cubs. Who are cubs, children? Cubs are baby animals. So Mother Wolf was resting with her 4 baby wolves. Who all are there in wolf family? Father wolf, mother wolf and 4 cubs. That's when they heard the tiger's angry roar. What is the meaning of roar, children? A loud sound which lion or tiger make. When they were resting in the cave, they heard the tiger's angry roar. I wonder what has made him so angry, said Mother Wolf. Wonder. What is the meaning of wonder? Wonder means to think. Now, Mother Wolf is thinking why Tiger is getting so angry. What happened to him? What made him so angry? They walked up to the mouth of the cave. The bushes in front of the cave moved. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf stepped back a little. They walked up to the mouth of the cave. What is the meaning of mouth of the cave, children? Opening from where you enter the cave. So Mother Wolf and Father Wolf, they walked up to the opening of the cave and there are bushes in front of the cave. So when somebody enters the cave, the bushes move. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf, now Father Wolf and Mother Wolf, when they saw that somebody is entering the cave, they got alert and they stepped back, means they moved back. They moved back a little. Suddenly a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. He grabbed a low branch and tried to stand up. Tiny, tiny means very small. Tiny human baby, a small human baby, crawled out of the bushes. Crawled means to move on hands and knees. Suddenly, a small human baby comes out of the bushes. Comes out of the bushes and he grabbed a low branch. Grabbed means to hold something strongly. As baby is very small, he can't walk. So he's crawling, okay, and uh, he tried to hold a branches and tried to stand up. A man's cub, said Father Wolf. What did Father Wolf say? A man's cub. What is the meaning of man's cub? A man's cub, a human baby. So Father Wolf said, oh, It's a human baby. It is the baby of a man. Is that a man's cub? Said Mother Wolf. I have never seen one before. Oh, how little he is. So Mother Wolf is saying, is that a human baby? I have never seen one before. Mother Wolf has never seen any human baby, so she is very excited and saying how little he is. The baby looked up at them and laughed. The baby is also not afraid of them. He is happy there. So what he did? He laughed. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Let's take him inside before he gets here, said Mother Wolf. What is the meaning of after here, children? And who is after the man cub? Sher Khan. Sher Khan is after the man cub. So when somebody wants to catch someone, he is after that person. So here Sher Khan wants to get man cub. Now Mother Wolf is saying, let's take him inside and protect him. Let's take man cub inside the cave and protect him before the tiger comes here. Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. Just then Sher Khan reached the mouth of the cave. Now what is baby doing? Baby is happy inside the cave. So he's crawling. He's crawling and lays down between the wolf cubs. Just then Sher Khan reaches there. What do you need? Sher Khan asked Father Wolf, walking towards Sher Khan with angry eyes. Now Father Wolf is asking Sher Khan, what do you need? Sher Khan with angry eyes. Father Wolf is angry. So he's asking Sher Khan, what do you need, Sher Khan? A man's cub came this way, said Sher Khan. His parents have run away, so give him to me. Now, what Sher Khan is saying? Sher Khan says, a man cub has come this way. His parents left him and ran away. So now this baby belongs to me. So give that baby to me. The man's cub is ours now, said Father Wolf. Father Wolf is also angry and he don't want to give man cub to tiger. So Father Wolf says, the man's cub is ours now. No, it's mine. The tiger roared in anger. And says, no, baby is mine. Mother Wolf leaped forward and stood in front of Sher Khan. The man's cub is mine. You cannot kill him. He will live with our pack. Now go away. Mother Wolf leaped forward. What is the meaning of leaped forward? Means to jump high or over something. So Mother Wolf is also angry. So she jumps high and stands in front of Sher Khan and says, no, the man's cub is mine. You cannot kill him. You can't take him. You cannot kill man's cub. He will live with our pack. Now go away. Pack means group of animals. So Mother Wolf is saying, you cannot kill him. He will live with our group. Go away. Sher Khan growled. Then he turned around and left. Growled. What is the meaning of growled? Means made a low sound to show anger. Now Sher Khan makes low angry sound and turns and leave. Now Sher Khan is also helpless. He can't do anything as wolf family is there to protect man cub. So he turns and leave from there. Father Wolf said to Mother Wolf, "The cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell us if he can live with us." Now Father Wolf is discussing with Mother Wolf that they should show the man cub to the pack. Only they can decide and tell us if the man cub can live with us or not. "Okay," she said, smiling at the baby. "Let's call him Mowgli." The baby smiled back at her. Mother Wolf agrees to the Father Wolf's idea of showing the baby to the wolf pack. She looks at the baby, smiles and says, "We should call him Mowgli." The baby is also happy and he smiles back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. Now Father Wolf and Mother Wolf have taken Mowgli to show him to the wolf pack. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, were also there. All the wolves of the jungle are present there. Baloo, the brown bear, and the Bagheera. Who is Bagheera? The wise panther. All are there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. Father Wolf put Mowgli into the center so that all can see him. The Mowgli is also not at all afraid of other animals present there. So he starts laughing and playing with rocks. The leader of the wolf pack asked, "Should the man cub stay with us?" Now the head of the wolf pack asked other animals present there, "Do you all think that we should keep the man cub with us?" Baloo said, "Yes, I will teach him all about the jungle." Baloo says, "Yes, I will teach him all about the jungle." Then Bagheera spoke, "Yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack." Bagheera also says that this man cub should be the part of wolf pack. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family. Agreed. See the word agreed. What is the meaning of agreed? To say yes or to be okay with the idea. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera. Now all the wolves agree with what the Baloo and Bagheera has said. And that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family. Now this is how Mowgli is accepted by all the wolf family, and he becomes the part of the wolf family. Children, the story is over now. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you.